So I've got this world's fattest lady. You know, like, I can just imagine, like, I put her on a vegan lifestyle, high carb, unlimited calories, because if you're that heavy, if you're over 600 pounds, you need a shitload of carbohydrates just to walk from A to B, because you're lifting your body weight. You're doing weights every time you walk, so you're smashing through the glycogen. So this lady's obviously gotten super obese because of animal fat and animal protein, which causes the weight gain, the fat gain, the inflammation gain. So this lady's solution, 100% high carb, low fat, vegan, all you can eat, as much as you fucking want. But reality is, I already know what this person would say, I wouldn't get enough protein. A vegan diet's a bit extreme, I'll tell you what. Being 600 pounds and wanting to be 1,000 pounds, that's fucking extreme. So all these people would tell her, oh, you should eat less, Donna, eat less. It's like, no, we don't need to eat less. Never eat less. Eat right. What's right for humans? High carb, low fat, vegan, fruit's your friend. That's what we're designed for, period, end of story. Think carbs make you fat, go to fucking China, go to the country areas where people eat rice 3 or 4 times a day. No one's fat. No one's running marathons either. There's no one running marathons. Everyone's slim in Thailand. There's fuck all elite runners there. What's going on, you know? So that's reality, high carb, low fat for the win. And this lady would get to eat more food than she's ever had before, but the plant foods don't allow this morbid obesity to happen. They don't allow obesity to happen. You can't be fat on a high carbohydrate, low fat vegan lifestyle. Doesn't happen. End of story. And it's not about exercise, because there's plenty of people out there who exercise way more than me and who are still obese, still overweight, still out of shape, because they still eat the animal products. They're still trying to do the paleo primal, low carb, fad diets, sad diets, TGI Friday McDonald's paleo burger diets. Doesn't work, never gonna work. Give it up. Thanks for watching. Post your comments and questions down below. We'll see you soon.